Hi, my name is Meet Shah and today I'm going to do official unboxing and review of NG EarSafe headphones. So this NG EarSafe are India's first EarSafe headphones. So how these are different is these are open ear headphones. So normal headphones which we see in the market or in other marketplaces, those are in-ear headphones. So how these headphones are better or safer for our ears is that this work on bone conduction technology. So the normal in-ear headphones or in-ear earphones which we use in our daily lives, the way they transmute sound to us is via our ear canal. So on prolonged usage of this type of earphones, there are long-term damages to our ears, like we sometimes find that our hearing capacity has decreased or there is slight pain in our ears on using these earphones for nearly 1 hour or 2 hours on a daily basis. So keeping all these aspects in mind, we have developed India's first ear-safe headphones. So I'll show you how these work. So these ear-safe headphones, they work on open ear technology and on bone conduction technology. So these are the headphones which we get. As you can see, these are ear-safe headphones. And these headphones have a single touch control for picking up calls, rejecting calls, or activating the voice command. So as you can see, these headphones will be set on our ears like this. So they'll look like this. And as you can see, they are not going into our ears. Because they are not going into our ears, when the music is on, you can also hear the surrounding sound. Or like for example, I am talking to my cameraman, that I can hear what he's telling me. And so even though my music is on, I can hear the surroundings. So when you are going for that jog and there is some traffic on the road, you won't miss out on that horn when it is blinking, or when you are working out, you won't miss out talking to your friends because your ears are partially open. And along with that, these headphones actually have very nice bass output, so it is not like there is a compromise on the hearing system. But yes, I would say that the output of these headphones is not as high as the in-ear headphones. So if you are a music lover or a music junkie who wants that high BPM sound, then these headphones are not for you. But if you are one of those users who is using this for business purpose, for answering calls, being on calls, you are constantly on move, you are constantly attending meetings, you are going for workout sessions, for jogging, or your usage is more of a light note music kind of a thing, wherein you want some music in background, but you also don't want to get detached from the world, then these headphones are the best fit for you. And along in this box, you get a USB cable charger, this pair of headphones, and a short user manual. And these headphones come with 1 year warranty, and you can get this for you. So these are available in black and white color. And the battery life on these things are huge. They offer nearly 8 hours of continuous playback time. Standby time is nearly 360 hours. Comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. And so it can connect up to 10 meters of range. And you can get this on Amazon. Thank you.